This is H2R Nova by OLight. It is rated at 2300 lumens, equipped with a Cree XHP50. This is one of the most powerful single battery flashlights I've seen. It uses a regular 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable battery that can be charged in the flashlight with the included magnetic USB connector. It can be used as a standalone flashlight or a headlight using the included head strap. Placing the flashlight on the head strap cannot be easier. It is magnetic and locks up with a silicone bag. It has 5 light levels: turbo, high, medium, low, and moon. Turbo will last for up to 110 minutes, while moon will last for up to 45 days. Actually, you can only use turbo for 1 minute each time. The H2R has thermal regulation protection that limits turbo for 1 minute. Afterwards, it will automatically switch to high beam to protect the flashlight from overheating. Moon can be used as a night light or to help finding the flashlight in the dark. SOS mode can be activated by pressing the switch 3 times. It is shockproof and waterproof, rated at IPX8.